How to get Facebook Marketplace feature back. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can get your Facebook Marketplace back. Now, if you do not find your Marketplace tab, whether on iPhone or Android, on your tabs bar, then here is what you need to do. Head into menu. On Android, you'll find at the top right, on iOS at the bottom right. So once here on menu, what you want to do is you want to head into settings and privacy. Now you can see the Marketplace feature here, but you do not want to access here. You want to head into settings. Under settings, you scroll down and under preferences, you'll find the tab bar option. Tap on it. Then you want to tap on customize the bar. Under here, you can see Marketplace. Now, basically, if it is removed, it'll be either hidden or it'll be on auto. So you want to tap on that option particular on the right hand side of the Marketplace, and then you want to make sure it is pinned. So you want to keep it pinned. So that way your Marketplace will reappear back in your tabs. So this is how you can get Facebook Marketplace back. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.